How to use Opensea to sell NFT. In this video, we're going to be talking about NFTs and how you're going to be using one of the most incredible crypto and NFT platforms out there called Opensea to sell them and create passive income. Okay, so we're going to start off by coming over to OpenSea.io, which is the website where Opensea operates in. Now, in OpenSea.io, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and create an account. So to create an account, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the accounts section, and here it says connect to OpenSea. So you can actually continue with an email or continue with any, Meta wallet that you have. Now, I'm going to click on sign up and create wallet. Okay. So what this basically does is it first creates our NFT wallet. So we're simply going to add that over here. And once all of this is added, we're simply going to wait for it to load up. Okay, so it's going to verify our details, and now it says choose security option. So either an authenticator or an SMS. So I'm going to go with the authenticator and click on next, and now it says scan QR code using an authenticator app. So you can use any authenticator app you have, or you can simply go ahead and get any other, required Google Authenticator, Meta Authenticator, whatever app you have. Now it says losing your authentication method without exporting your private keys will result in account loss access. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to copy the key. And now once we copy the key, you're going to move over and go into the main account creations. All right. You can also connect any other external wallets you have, like a MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet that you have. And if you go ahead and choose to work with a MetaMask wallet, let me show you how it works. So you're going to install your MetaMask for your Chrome. Once you have this enabled, we're going to come back over here. And once we're back over here, you're going to make sure to activate your MetaMask. So here's my MetaMask right here. You can simply go ahead and open it on the left hand side. Now, if you actually want to make your OpenSea access your MetaMask, simply go ahead to MetaMask section over here. Now, what it will do is it will actually connect with your MetaMask right here. Now, it tells us to unlock with a password, so I'm going to do that real quick. And once we unlock with our password, from there, what's going to be happening is we're going to be taken to the main MetaMask space. Okay. Now over there, what happens is that you can actually apply the code given by the authenticator app in OpenSea. Okay. But when you have created your account and everything is good to go, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to go into create. Now, what Create does is it allows you to actually make NFTs. Okay, you can drop different stat NFTs just like these over here. So you can see tons and tons of NFTs going on around for different volumes of money. So this NFT over here is for 0.05 Ethereum. This is for 0.47, 5.57, 0.31, 3.39, and it goes on and on. So there are different various pricings for different types of NFTs that you can use for yourself in whatever way that you like. All right. Now, moving on, what we can also do is we can check the stats that are going around for NFTs right now. So here are the stats, and according to this, you can sell the NFT at a suitable price for yourself. So right now, as we can see, the topmost NFT brand is Azuki. Okay, the Azuki are going for around 5 to 6 Ethereum. All right, which is actually crazy amounts of money because one Ethereum right now is around $3,000, $4,000. So this one NFT would cost a person around 24 to $30,000. Okay, which is actually crazy. So these are different NFTs that you can go against and keep a market price for your NFT. Obviously, if you're starting off with selling NFTs, I wouldn't suggest going too high or going too low. You should keep it a bang average price, like go with something like 0.09 Ethereum, or maybe go with 0.15 Ethereum, not too high, not too low. Now, if you actually want to go ahead and design an NFT for yourself, you can design it in many ways. Like you can use something like Photoshop, Illustrator, but if you want to stay pretty easy and stay online, what you can do is you can use Canva. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on create design and we're going to go to where it says logo. Okay. And now you're going to open this up. So this opens up a 500 by 500 pixel canvas. And in this canvas, our job is to actually go ahead and create a design that would go well when it comes to, circling around NFTs. So to actually create a genuinely good seamless design, what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to apply a background. So let's say I'm going to go with a reddish background. I'm going to keep it a tad bit dark. Okay. We're going to keep it a bit like that. Then we're going to go in elements. And now what you're going to do is you're going to decide what kind of NFT are we actually looking for. Is it a character NFT? Is it an object NFT? Is it just gradient designs? Whatever you want, it can all be done. So let's say I would, try to add some type of animal NFT. So let's try to implement and template the Bored Ape NFT. So let's say I want to go with this look over here. This will look pretty cool on an exterior background. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And once this is applied, as you can see, it already looks pretty nice. It looks pretty neat. I'm going to basically add it into the center. There we go. Now you can actually change the colors around with it as well. So let's say I can go with a blue. I can go with this color over here. So go with any color that you think suits it. And once you've done that, you're going to click on share, click on download, and then finally download your NFT. And once you're done with that, you've created your account and everything, simply go on create, add your NFT, and that should basically sell it up on the market on OpenSea. So, and you can actually keep a decent price range for yourself. And there's different categories of NFTs as well when it comes to OpenSea, because we have art, gaming, memberships, PFPs, photography, music. So obviously, if you're going with a design like this could come around in art. So once you add it in your art categories, you can simply, give it some type of name. A name is pretty important as well, because a name should be catchy. A name should have an actual story behind it, an actual purpose behind it. So, just like the Bored Ape Club or something like that, just come up with a good, decent, catchy name and then start selling it. And look at this. You can also sell GIF NFTs, just like that. This person has created dissolved color GIF NFTs, and there's different illusion NFTs just like these. So it all depends on how much your NFT is actually basing on different, working environments, how much art is in it, and how much meaning there is behind it. And if you do, decent marketing out of it, you should get a good roundup yield on OpenSea. So yeah, that's the general idea about OpenSea and how you can sell NFTs on this incredible platform. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me and I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.